Hi, I'm Joan Lok. Every spring, people will go to Washington, D.C. to enjoy the National Cherry Blossom Festival. And I was lucky enough to be their official artist one year and created their official poster. And the artwork is this piece of artwork. And it has the Tidal Basin, lots and lots of cherry trees, and cherry blossoms. So in this particular workshop, I will do what I have been doing for some Sume landscape, which is the start to finish. So in this workshop, I will show you how to work on the design and then, draw the tidal basin, the Jefferson Memorial, and then step by step create various designs and of course, at the end, we will recreate in our demo piece the Washington, D.C. National Cherry Blossom Festival official poster that is my artwork. So I hope you would like to enjoy spring by recreating the National Cherry Blossom Festival poster with me, my artwork, Tidal Basin with Cherry Blossom. Hope to see you.